and welcome back for the Commercial Awareness Update of 12th of April. The National Institute for Economic and Social Research predicts that economic growth in the UK fell by half in the opening months of the year. The leading forecaster said growth was set to fall to 0.2% in the first quarter from 0.4% in the final 3 months of last year. It is thought that March's beast from the east, harsh weather conditions, were the main factor, disrupting activity in all major sectors of the economy. The prospect of a rise in interest rates next month has been dented by a lack of activity in the UK housing market. The Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors said property buyer demand fell for its 12th consecutive month in March. This could make Bank of England deliberations around the May hike in interest rates, which is pretty much odds on at the moment, a little more finely balanced than would otherwise be the case, said the spokesman. Tesco has bounced back with a sharp rise in annual profits according to the Financial Times. 3 years it was embroiled in an accounting scandal. The supermarket group's share price closed 7% higher after it said it had attracted 260,000 more customers, and anticipated £2.5 billion over the medium term from its recent £3.7 billion takeover of wholesaler Booker. Almost a third of jobs in London will be taken by robots within the next 20 years. The think tank estimates that around 1 in 5 jobs have medium potential for automation, while 48% have low potential. Analysts say automation could be accelerated if immigration is tightened after Brexit, prompting shortages in labour. Escalating hostilities between the White House and the Kremlin, and threats of military attacks on Syria, prompted city investors to cut ties with Russian companies hit by US sanctions, as shares fell in companies with links to Russia and firms that could suffer in the fallout from an attack on Syria. The Russian ruble suffered its 4th day of significant losses.